Hi, I'm Shannon, here to give you a quick overview on the SmartScope 5M. The SmartScope 5M is a handheld digital microscope. What really makes this stand out is the fact that you get 5 megapixel resolution. This is great after you've captured a photo because it allows you to zoom in and really see the most minute detail. Also, it's great when you're viewing live images because you're going to see an incredibly crisp, clear image. And it's extremely easy to use. Let me show you how it works. First, I'm going to double click on the image. That'll take us into full screen mode, so everybody has a clearer view. You can use the SmartScope 5M just like a traditional microscope. So first, I want to analyze a slide of an onion skin. You're going to want to use the dial at the bottom of the SmartScope 5M all the way over to the right to start off. Then you'll place it on the slide and then slowly turn the dial to the left. You'll see the image come into focus. This is at 100x magnification. It looks a little dark, so I'm going to turn up the light on it. That's the middle dial. You can see you can adjust the light as well. So I'm going to turn it all the way up and get a lot of good light on that so we can really see it. And then you can even zoom in more. Continue turning the dial to the left. And you can see the onion skin at 200x magnification. I think this is a great shot. So in order to capture an image, all you have to do is press the button right at the top of the SmartScope 5M. That's the camera. Press that. It's captured the photo. In order to go out and view your photos, just double click again. That'll exit full screen mode. And you can see down here at the bottom, these are all the photos that we've taken. So I will just click on this last one and then drag it up into the frame. And there's our photo. It's really easy to zoom in further by clicking on the zoom in icon at the top. So you can zoom in, you can go back into full screen mode, and you can even use the arrow keys to move around the picture. So you've got a lot that you can really zoom in and see here with the SmartScope 5M. You can analyze things with the SmartScope 5M that you would never be able to look at with a regular microscope. I'm going to go back into full screen mode and take a look at this wood block. Again, you're going to want to make sure that your focus dial is turned all the way to the right and my light's good, the dial right here in the middle, and then I'll slowly turn the focus dial to the left and you can see the wood is really coming into focus. You can move it around, take a look at different aspects of the wood, but what's great about the SmartScope 5M is you're not limited to just this side like you are with the slide. You can actually pick up the object and turn it around and look inside there. You can actually see inside the crevices of the bark. You'd never be able to do this with a traditional microscope. And with the SmartScope 5M, you can take great pictures. So I'm just going to press the photo button right there at the top to capture that image. If you want to take a look at the images, you just double click and then you can scroll over right here at the bottom to view all of your images, and there's the last image we took. Just pick it up and drag it and there you go. With the SmartScope 5M, you can not only take still photos, but you can record videos, record time-lapse videos, compare 2 images side by side, and there's even a measurement feature. Included in the package is the SmartScope 5M, the stand, and the software site license, so you can install the software on all of the computers on your campus. The software is compatible with both PCs and Macs, and the SmartScope 5M works great with interactive whiteboards. The SmartScope 5M is fun, it's easy to use, and most importantly, it gets students excited about learning.